Well, this is a special day. Unboxing. For many years, I'd say since 2008, when I made my first Printmaking Teachers in a Box version, my half-wood press, I've been working up to the time when I actually saw a market for printmaking teaching in a box. And today it arrived. This is from KiwiCo. It's a company that specializes in crates on a subscription basis. So I subscribed to buy a sample. And the Printmaking Teachers in a Box that I have has participants, users, going through the whole process of making a press, making paper, making plates, printing the plates, and going on a worldwide geophysical network with other kids on the model of pen pals, except it's print pals. So here we have a good example. This is a geography lesson made by KiwiCo, and it comes with all the parts, even a little globe and all the pieces cut out on laser cutters and the rest. What a great find, KiwiCo. My perfect model for printmaking teachers in a box. Thanks for watching. Hi, Linda and I are playing with the Atlas crate that I got from KiwiCo as a gift to a 5-year-old. And we're studying it, and it occurs to me that I don't know if that's permitted, that 80-year-olds can enjoy something that's designed for 6-year-olds.